Expressways support daily lives in the capital. 1 million vehicles flow in a day. The Metropolitan Expressway is a main transport network for the capital. The people maintaining the expressway every day are engineering staff. However, there is one more location that helps with the maintenance of the expressway. Take a look at this normal-looking office. This is the computer system the staff use. On these computers, you can see the expansive network of the expressway. The system that makes this possible is called iDREAMs. It offers functions helpful to anybody working in infrastructure. With just a click of the map, information regarding damage, among others, are easily accessible. The system contains all information that is required for maintenance work. Let's have the engineering staff show us how this system actually works. Expressway maintenance requires inspection, diagnostics, repairs, reinforcement, and records. Maintaining this cycle is vital. Each process uses the iDREAMs system. Let's look at how iDREAMs is used for inspection. Mr. Kaneko will be telling us all about it.
普通に仕事しちゃってるんですけどいいですか
What are you doing?
はい、今はですねこれから点検に行く、場所の過去の損傷を検索しています。湾岸線の路線ですとか場所また損傷の名前ですとかを入力して検索をかけていきます。こちら、過去の前回の写真の状況ですね。これは鉄筋露出と言われるものコンクリートが剥がれてしまって中身が見えちゃってる写真なんですけども、そういう損傷がこの場所にはあったということが分かるようになっています。
Before he goes to carry out inspections, he can first learn the history of the location. iDREAMs can help through the completion drawing and the register search function. The Metropolitan Expressway network has served the city over 60 years. The total length of the network now is 327 kilometers. "30,000 incidents of damage are found every year. When and by whom was it constructed and maintained? Knowing the history of the infrastructure is very important."
前は紙で行っていたんですけれども、iDREAMsでやることでその場所の過去の履歴っていうものを全部終えることができますので、現場の構造物の状況を知ることで、どこに着目しなければならないのかとか、あと前回の経過から何か進展している場所はないかとか、そういうものを追っていくことで、構造物の、健全度の調査をすることができる。
The workers download the data from iDREAMs and bring it on location. They used to carry large amounts of paper with them, but look how portable things are now.
この場所はもちろんここに出ているということは同じような構造の他の場所でも同じような損傷が出ている可能性があるということなので、それを確認しに注意して見てくるっていう流れになってます。じゃあ次は橋台の裏側に行きます。
During inspection, the workers also collect data for the iDREAM system. By comparing the current status with past damage, the workers can see the changes over a period of time. This also prevents oversights during inspection. After inspection, the data in the tablet can be uploaded and converted to report format.
基本的に位置情報ですとか継続の損傷は変わりませんので、撮った写真ですね。それをタブレットから読み込ませることでも半自動的に報告書が出来上がってくると。
The simplicity of this system makes it easy for everyone. Inspections and repairs are always happening on the Metropolitan Expressway. iDREAMs is great because information can be recorded in real time and used immediately. So who operates and manages this data? It's the Shutoko Technology Center.
ここは首都高の点検データや竣工図書、工事情報とかを日々集約してこのiDREAMsにアップデートしています。データは日々更新していかないと古いものになってしまいますので、最新のものにアップデートしていくっていうのは重要なことになります。
The reports that are uploaded will be linked with past data here. This makes iDREAMs a database for continuous on-site management. The next step is repairs and reinforcement. iDREAMs is useful for this process as well. For example, it helps create repair plans. Let's look at the concrete damage for the route number 4 Shinjuku line. The inspection data shows the number of damages for the entire line and ranks them by color. Workers can visualize the extent of repairs that are necessary and the priority for those repairs. It also helps for planning. After planning, on-site work begins. However, the Metropolitan Expressway rarely sleeps. Vehicles pass by even at night. Without closing the expressway, they do repair work safely. The iDREAMs system also finds its place during the process.
工事の準備にも使えます。役立つのがこのiDREAMsの点群データです。
Point cloud data is a collection of point data that has three-dimensional XYZ coordinates. The data is collected via laser beams on the expressway. It's highly accurate, with 1 million beams per second. iDREAMs has a model of the Metropolitan Expressway created by this data. The system also has data of nearby buildings replicated on the computer here.
点群データではこのように高速の高架下の高さを計測できたり、高架下の空間を視覚的に把握できるので、競技資料を作る際にも役立ちます。以前は現場に行って事前に高さだったりを計測していたので、点群データ上で計測できることでかなり効率が上がりました。
This is a test run simulation of when traffic is limited in movement on the expressway. They are checking the amount of space between railway infrastructure and the aerial work platform. A thorough analysis via iDREAMs allows meetings to be efficient and fruitful for all parties. Repair works can be done safely.
メンテナンスに関わる関係者からヒアリングをして日々システムが使いやすくなるように進化し続けています。
The Metropolitan Expressway continues to service the city with its large network. Maintenance methods also continue to evolve. They're starting to try new things, such as using drones for inspection. Both expressway and infrastructure management will continue to progress toward the future.